Hey guys, today we're back at SSP and we're working on a 2015 Crosstrek, and we're going to do some interior cleaning, so we're going to have to pull the seats out so we can get all underneath and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove the driver's seat today, and then also how to put it back on. The 4 bolts that hold the seat, and it's a size 14. I've got mine on a DeWalt gun, and there's 2 in the front and they're exposed, they're black. You can see them right here. It's back all the way if you can see it. One right there and one right here. Like so. And then roll the seat forward. Okay, because in the back there's 2 more, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but here, let me see if I can get it here, show you guys. There's these little covers right here, and there's one right here. There's a little plastic clip right there you gotta push down. Let me grab it. A flathead. If you push down on this, you see, push down and pull. There he goes. There's one. And there's one more right here. So I can do it without getting in the way, so I can show you guys how to do it. There he goes. So these things are in. Look at all this, look at all this hair. Definitely be clean underneath the seats and stuff. Push that little tab down and then just pull up like this, and these things will pop out. There's 2 more 14s down here. 1 and 2. So now the seat's loose, but there's still wires connected to the seat. So this is a manual seat. It still has an airbag, so roll the seat back. You probably have to tilt it back like this, and there's going to be a wire. You might have more, you might have less. This one has one wire right here. It's for the SRS. And there's a yellow plug right here. Pull back. Let me see. See right here? Pull back. And it'll disconnect. Make sure you got the battery disconnected in the car. There's one plug right here. And got one clip it needs to come out of. I need to get my clip remover and remove that right there, the wire. Get a clip remover. There's one clip right here that needs to come out. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'll show you guys when I get it out. There's one more plug. Voila, 3 plugs. This is what I use to get in here to remove this clip from the seat. Now the seat's completely out. What I like to do is make sure the steering wheel is pushed in all the way and up. It's easier. And then we're just gonna fold the seat sideways and just roll it out this way. Make sure the door is open. Make sure you don't. Usually you'll nick the steering wheel with the seat, so try not to. Let's see. There he goes. Sideways. And then now, if you have stains on the seat, you could pressure wash the seat just leave it out in the sun and let it dry before putting it back in the car. You won't harm it. We pressure wash seats all the time. We're just fine. It won't damage any electrical or anything. Yeah, that's how you remove a front driver's seat on a Crosstrek. Now, the Impreza, I think 2012, 2016 is the same. 2012 to 17 Crosstrek, same. Just might have a few extra plugs depending on what model you have, leather, no leather. Just be careful, pull the seat out, not to nick the steering wheel. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the headrest and to put it back on. For whatever reason, you might want to remove the headrest to clean it or change it because the dog took a bite out of it. Pull up on it. At a certain point, it's just gonna stop. There's a button here, you push that, and then it'll come out. It's got these notches right here. If you look inside here, there's like a little blade that catches it. So if you push it, so going back in, it's not gonna want to go in unless you push this. Once you push that in, it'll slide in. Don't force it. It'll go in, and it'll just lock itself back up to where it is. If you want to push it back down, you gotta push this to go back down, and then this thing is like spring loaded. If you go all the way back, it resets. That's how you remove and reinstall a headrest on the seat. Front seat. The rear seats are the same way. Alright guys, we took a short little break. I'm vacuuming inside the car. So now we're gonna put the seat back inside the car. So if you pulled it out, washing it, whatever, going back in, I try to, get this thing about as flat as possible. It's easier that way. And we're gonna go literally whoop like this in the car. So the only thing I tell you to worry about is not nicking the rest of the car steering wheel or anything like that. So going in like this, and then rotate, and oh, just missed the steering wheel. All right. Before bolting it in, gotta get these guys to plug back in. The yellow one is a airbag light, airbag seat that's in the seat, and it slides into its little spot. There's a white one here, and there's one right here. Boom, boom. All right. What I like to do is get the front bolts, and I kind of like to, hand tight like that. I'll do the rears too by hand, and then once I have all four of them in, now the black ones go in the front and these chrome ones go in the rear. The reason why I leave everything loose because it needs to move a little bit to get these guys in like that. Then you go and tighten it. Now, once you get that, don't forget these little covers. There's a left and right. I'll say it. Front left. Which is for this side. We need seat belts too. We'll get to that later. Looks like this one slides onto this side. And then this one slides onto this side. Like so. since we got the back done, you come back in the front, roll the seat back, and then as you can see, your 2 black bolts, one there, one there. There's no covers in the front. That's all it is. And we have floor mats to go back in it, so we put the floor mats back in the front. And then the detail, will do the rest of it. Like so. Now, we're gonna wrap up this video for the front seat and then watch the other video for the other side. So let's go work on the other side right now. Subscribe to us.